Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make graphs in Excel. It's very simple and quite easy. So let's get started. First select your data. Next go to Insert. And now here in the Chart section, you can select any chart or graph. If you click on this option, Recommend Charts, and then click on All Charts, and here you can find all types of charts and graphs with details. You can select and use any one according to your need. Like I am selecting this one, XY Scatter. And here on the top, you can also find categories in it. So you can select any one that you want, and that's it. You can also customize your graph, like clicking on this plus icon, and here you can check these boxes to add these elements to the graph. Like you can add axis title and graph, x-axis and y-axis. You can add data labels, error bars, trend line. Click on this arrow icon. Then click on More Options. And here you can see the trend line in detail. If you scroll down, you can set intercept, display equation, or R-squared values on the graph. You can select and drag anywhere on the graph. Next, if you click on this brush icon, now here, you can change the style of your graph. You can also change its color. Just click on Title to add the title of your graph. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.